सच्चे प्यार को दौलत की तरह से मैं मत तो राधेश्याम तिवारी। चुप कर भिखारी।
Today, the Indian movie industry is dominated by action, thrillers, rom coms, horror comedies, to some extent, mythological movies as well. All great. I mean, personally, मुझे भी ये सब movies बहुत पसंद है, to be honest with you. But I feel there is something missing in Bollywood. Something. Let me ask you one thing. A very simple question. Don't you miss the pure, stress-busting, chaotic laughter? मैं बात कर रहा हूँ हेरा फेरी की, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ हलचल की, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ वेलकम की, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ हंगामा की, and movies that come under this genre. We as an audience need these movies back. Let's break down the details that why I think we need these movies back. The core reason why these movies worked wasn't the actors, although they were brilliant. But the main reason was the writing. इन फिल्मों की जान थी इनकी situational comedy. The comedy in these movies comes from a very simple basic thing. The characters are placed in desperate situations of panic, and the absurd, absolutely illogical decisions they make to come out of these situations. And the biggest and the best part of them all, the dialogues. The overlapping conversations, the comic timing is what elevated the movie. इन मूवीज की कॉमेडी कितनी प्योर है नहीं? I mean, it's so natural, it's so organic. You never feel the characters are acting. The characters aren't stand-up comics. They are just ordinary, flawed people. हम लोग इनकी बेबसी पे हंस रहे यार. The irony here is that the characters don't deliver jokes. They deliver panic. कुछ scenes तो यार ऐसे हैं कि मुझे लगता है they are and I think they will always be fresh in our memories. I mean, who can forget the epic confusion for Aditi, Sheetal and Munni? Who can forget Bandya getting excited to play Kushti with Sheetal? बाबू राव को आने वाले देवी प्रसाद के calls. The epic conversations between Radheshyam Tiwari and the Videocon wala Akshay Khanna. The list is literally never ending. There are just so many of them. The scenarios in these movies are so relatable. The errors are hilarious. The modern comedy, unfortunately, feels too structured and too dependent on slapstick comedy and to digital effects to some extent. We desperately need the script smartness back. इन फिल्मों की दूसरी सबसे बड़ी ताकत थी इनकी ensemble कास्ट और इनके कैरेक्टर आर्क. Every actor, no matter how small the role was a comedy giant. They did not act, they lived the absurdity. चाहे मजनू भाई की पेंटिंग हो या उदय का एंगर कंट्रोल, राजू का कॉन्फिडेंस हो या श्याम की बेबसी, बांड्या का भोलापन या जीतू की चतुराई. The characters feel so relatable. The characters feel so real and not real. The rewatch values of these movies is immense. I love to discuss these movies when I'm with my friends, my cousins, my family and watch them again and again and again and again. These films give comfort. और भाई मेरे लिए तो कभी कभी थेरेपी का भी काम करती है ये movies. The fun fact is, these movies are for every age groups. ये वो दौर था जब छोटे से छोटा कैरेक्टर भी मीम बन जाता था. Like these movies are literally the base of Indian meme templates. ऑफिस हो, घर हो, कजिन्स के साथ हो, we use the dialogues of these movies as memes and relate and connect with them every single time. Let's talk about a very important aspect in today's hectic and stressful world. The socio-psychological need. We live in an era of constant information overload. The news cycles are intense, the global issues are heavy. और यार कॉरपोरेट जिंदगी ने तो जीना मुश्किल कर रखा है. ऐसे में हमें एक ब्रेक चाहिए. I mean, come on यार, we deserve a break from this. एक ऐसे फिल्म जो बिना किसी ज्ञान के, बिना किसी मैसेज के, सिर्फ और सिर्फ खुलकर हंसाए. Action, horror comedies, mythological genres and movies. These films are great, no doubt. But we deserve a laugh riot. We deserve movies which gives us a safe, chaotic comic to our escape. In conclusion, the message is clear. It's not about recreating these movies. It's about capturing the spirit. The spirit of brilliant writing, ensemble cast, and situational comedy. Let me know in the comment sections which movie is your favorite and which character you love the most. एक बात तो बताना भूल गया. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please follow my channel, The Lizard Eye Multiverse. जल्दी मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Bye. What's dominating? I mean, who can forget Bandya getting excited to play Sheetali Kushti?
ए पिंट्या पाणी दे रे. खूप इंग्लिश बोल रहा. चमारी